everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful and easy peasy hairstyles. So watch the video till the end. Now fix the hairs on the alternative sides like this. Make the plaits as we are making. Now we will fold it and fix it upward to make the bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the hairs from both the sides, take it and then tie it on the back. Now we will tie all the hairs together. Now divide it into two parts, tie it with rubber band like this. Now after dividing it, we will roll the hairs together and then fold it upward to make the bun. After, fix it using the hair clips and the bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will take the hairs in the front and leave it apart. Now tie all the hairs on the back very carefully using a rubber band. After that, tie it from the bottom as well. Now we will fold the hairs upward and fix it in a bun. Tie it properly and fix it using a hairpin. After fixing the hairs, we will take the hairs from the sides and fix it around the bun as shown in the video. Take the hairs as we will be making. Make the plaits on it very carefully. Now fix it around the bun and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail as shown in the video. Divide the hairs into three sections. Now take one section of the hairs, tie it from the between as shown in the video. Follow the same step for the other side. Now take the another section of the hairs, divide it again into two parts and tie it from the between like this. Now fix two parts on the top and two parts in the bottom like this. Fix it using a rubber band. It will look like a flower. Tie it properly as shown in the video. Now take rest of the hairs from the around and fix it around the bun. Fix it using the hairpins or the hair clips and your bun will be ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.